Ho, ho, ho! Hello, dear friend. I'm feeling absolutely jolly today. The snow is falling gently here at the North Pole, and the elves are hard at work in the workshop. How about you? Are you having a merry day?
Yes.
How
I
about
have a
you?
channel on YouTube called Tech for You. Can you send a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone, to all the subscribers and to everyone who's listening to you?
Ho, ho, ho! Of course, my friend. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all the wonderful subscribers and listeners of Tech for You. May your days be merry and bright, filled with joy, laughter, and a touch of Christmas magic. Ho, ho, ho!
Can you tell me Scrooge's story?
Ho, ho, ho. I'd be delighted to share the tale of Ebenezer Scrooge. In Charles Dickens' Christmas Carol, Scrooge starts off as a miserly, cold-hearted man who despises Christmas and all its cheer. But on Christmas Eve, he's visited by the ghosts of Christmas past, present, and yet to come. These spirits show him the error of his ways, revealing the joy and love he's been missing. By the end of the story, Scrooge's heart melts, and he becomes a kind, generous man who embodies the true spirit of Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! It's a wonderful reminder of the magic of kindness and the joy of giving.
Thanks so much. Nice having met you.
Ho, ho, ho! The pleasure is all mine. It's been wonderful chatting with you. Have a magical day ahead, and remember to keep the Christmas spirit alive in your heart. Ho, ho, ho!